Can we log out of Exodus wallet? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can log out of the Exodus wallet. So if you're wondering and if you also want to log out of your Exodus wallet, you can follow up the steps. So first of all, head over to the Exodus wallet app, and once you're logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen with different cryptocurrencies. So in order to log out, what we can do is at the bottom you can find different options available, and at the very last at the right corner you can find a cube option. So what you can do is simply head over and click on it and go to settings. After going to settings, you'll be finding different options here. So unfortunately, Exodus doesn't allow us to log out from it. So the only way, explicit way we have available is directly deleting up the wallet. So for that, you can just head over to your settings and directly go to the delete wallet section and then confirm this delete wallet, and it will remove your wallet and all transaction history and also log you out from that particular account. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and tap on confirm it and then restart, and then you'll be retaken to the login page, and that's when you know that you have been logged out and also your account has been deleted. So for now, that is only the method we can apply up in order to log out from Exodus. So you can follow up this method, otherwise we don't really have the option of logging out. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.